Hello guys, I am Arav Patel and today we are going to see how to add text color and background color in Excel. So let's begin. Here I have created a blank workbook. Now, if you know we can add text, size and style in Excel. If you want to see how we can add, link is there in description. Like that, we can add text color and background color in Excel. The term text color adds color to your text, but background color add color to your whole cell. Okay, so now follow the steps to add text color. I am going to write here any random text like FAM only. FAM. First go to Home tab. In Home tab find Phone group. Now in Phone group you can see these two options. First is fill color and second is font color. To add text color, click on font color. Okay, so now text color is added to our text. Like this only, we can add background color also. To add background color, first select your cell, go to Home tab, in font group, this fill color option. By this drop down arrow you can find many more colors. So I am going to choose here light blue only. So yeah, now as you can see, text color and background color both is added to our cell. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.